Imagine waking up in a city where medicine has run out. Hospitals overflow and families are desperate. The only help comes from small apothecary shops mixing remedies by hand. Now picture a disease spreading faster than those shops can work. This was the brutal reality of the 1800s. It forced humanity to confront a terrifying question. How do you save millions when your medicine is made one spoonful at a time? This question didn't just change medicine, it birthed an industry. By then, chemistry transformed medicine. Scientists could isolate ingredients, measure doses, and create treatments that could be reproduced. However, a new challenge emerged. The world's population was growing, cities were expanding, and diseases were spreading. Humanity needed medicines that were not just effective, but also mass-produced, standardized, and accessible. This is the tale of how small apothecary shops evolved into the first pharmaceutical companies. Before pharmaceutical companies existed, apothecaries mixed herbs and prepared customized remedies. They relied on tradition and manual craftsmanship. But as chemistry advanced, apothecaries used more purified compounds. This shift created a demand they could not satisfy. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. Factories and machines transformed production. For the first time, large-scale medicine manufacturing became possible. Steam machinery, standardized glassware, and chemical synthesis allowed for identical, reliable medicines produced in batches. This marked the birth of industrial pharmacy. The need for mass medicine became glaringly evident during the cholera pandemics of the 1800s. Cholera struck swiftly. A healthy person could be gone by nightfall. Hospitals overflowed and apothecaries couldn't keep up. Doctors struggled to understand the cause. During one outbreak, a young physician named John Snow traced the outbreak to a contaminated water pump. Removing the pump's handle slowed the outbreak. It became a turning point for modern public health and pointed out our dire need for standardized, reliable medicines. The pandemics accelerated the rise of industrial pharmaceutical manufacturing, pushing small apothecaries into full-fledged businesses. Companies like Merck and Bayer emerged, producing alkaloids and medicines like aspirin. These pioneers created quality control systems and standards that define the industry today. Industrial chemistry led to mass production of vital medications. Millions could access identical medicines with the same effect. This revolutionized public health. The rise of pharmaceuticals established modern practices, quality control, safety standards, and manufacturing regulations. Today's medicines trace back to when chemistry met industry and medicine became scalable. The vital lesson for students and healthcare professionals is this: innovation is not merely about discovery, it's about scaling it to help the world. The entrepreneurs of the 1800s built systems that made medicine reliable and accessible. That same spirit drives today's biopharmaceutical industries. If you want to learn more about the incredible world of medicine and thrive in one of the fastest-growing fields like this, video, comment, and subscribe to Pharma Career. Your journey in science and healthcare is just beginning. We're here to guide you every step of the way.